Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is Matt. In this video, I'm going to be going over a quick update on Livegood. All right, I've been in this company just about 3 weeks now, and my matrix did update overnight. So I gained about 4 new people in my matrix from spillover and recruiting people. So this does work. All right, you just have to lock in your position. Okay. And I'm going to be going over some other stats real quick here. So I'm going to go to my power line, and they did make some updates as well too. They did add some stuff to the back office, and these are the people who joined and upgraded under me. Okay, so this thing is exploding. It's taking off really fast. Let me go down here, scroll down to the bottom here. So I'm just gonna go random spots. So as you can see, they're just upgrading at every moment, and they're joining the company literally every second here of the day. All right, so I'm going to go to my referrals also real quick. I'm not going to show you the names and email addresses, but I got in, or not, well, I put in 223 pre-enrollees, and so I'm sending out emails as well too, just letting them know that I'm here to help them out, welcome emails and stuff like that. And go to my website real quick. They will give you three websites for you to promote. Okay, and let's see. I'm gonna go to my statistics here. All right, so I have one upgrade. So I am sending traffic. So yeah, you just have to keep sending traffic to this every day, and you will get pre-enrollees and eventually upgrades as well. Okay, so they did add a couple of things. They did update it. So my enroller is that's him, Edward Keat, and he's one of the top marketers. Okay, and then let me see here. So my earnings, I just got the $125, but once people um get in more and more, you'll earn more fast start commissions every week. Okay. Now, if you are ready to lock in your position and get started with me, go ahead and click the link below.